going to discuss one program. Okay, how to read the input and how to print the output using a console application. Okay, so in previous video we have discussed about the basics of .NET and how to create the first project in Visual Studio. If you want to create a console application, how we are going to create, how to open the Visual Studio. So step by step already I discussed all those things. Now I want to write a program. Okay, I want to read the input and I want to print the output. Okay, so how we are going to read the input and how to print the output. So in this program I want to calculate, I want to print the age of the person and name of the person. Name and age I want to print it out. So how we are going to print using a console application, I'm going to discuss now. Okay, so first of all, open Visual Studio. So after opening Visual Studio, go to File, New, Project. Okay. In this, choose console application. Okay, and language is Visual C Sharp console application, and write the name of the project. Okay, name of the project is, you can give any name. Presently I am putting that name only as it is, and location, you can give the location where you want to save your project. Okay, and solution name, by default whatever the name you are giving here, that name will be here. Okay. Okay, then after choosing this console application, click on OK. The console application will be created. So it is loading now. So the default application, the coding will be coming here. Okay, and if you want to see the project files, go to View, Solution Explorer. So here you are going to see the project on program.cs file. By default will be coming. In this we are going to work. Okay, so now I am going to write the program. Okay, to print the name of the person and also age of the person will be displayed in the output. So for that, first of all, see, the main purpose is to print is, I'm writing the in description the comment what I'm going to doing here. Okay, here an application that reads your name and age and displays them. Okay, so here, so this is our main purpose. So in the main function I'm going to write declare variables initially. Okay, how to declare a variable for printing, for display the name, we'll use string name. Okay, then for age I'm going to take int age. Okay, then after that read name of the person, read the name of the person. So here console dot write line enter your name. Okay, enter your name. So here enter your name. Then here name equal to console dot read line of. Next read age. Read age. Here console dot right line enter your age. Okay, enter your age. After that age equal to convert dot to int 32 of console dot read line of. Okay, then after that, after reading age, now we have to print the age. Okay, so to print that console dot write line name is about and age we are concatenating. Okay, let's use it for concatenation. Years old. Okay, then after that console dot read off. Okay, it is for getch. Now after this compile this if there are any errors. Build solution. Okay, so build succeeded. Then after this, to run the application, go to debug, start debugging. So enter your name, it is asking. So I entered Anand. Then I entered. Enter your age. Suppose I entered 32. Then press enter. So it is getting Anand is a goat. Oh, it is a mistake is here. So here I'm going to edit, and also Anand is also mixing the word, and ears also is mixing. So we have to give the space here. So I will modify that one. So here I have to write first of all about. Okay, and here should get space, and ears also should get the space. Okay, then again build the solution. So build succeeded. So next debug, start debugging. Enter age. So now it is getting Anand is about 32 years old. Okay friends, this is a simple program how to read the name and age, and we are going to print this, display the output as name and age. So particular person name is so and so named, is about this many years old. Okay, so here in this program I declared string name. Name is obviously it is a string. What is a string? String means a collection of words is called sentences. Every sentence can be written in string. For character value we are going to use character data type. Okay, for integer age is obviously it will take only numbers, to store only numbers. Okay, so integer means it will take only number, so age means it is only integer, so we declared int data type. So int age is the variable. Name, here string name, string is a data type, name is a variable, int is a data type, age is a variable. So then afterwards to read the name of the person, I'm printing in the output. First of all, console.writeLine, enter your name. Okay. Then in that name variable, I'm going to reading that whatever the name you are entering in the output, I'm reading that name and storing into that name variable. Okay. Then after that, console.writeLine, enter your age. It will ask enter your age in the output. Then the user will enter the age of the person. Okay. After entering the age of the person, we are storing that age into the age variable. And also here he wrote console.readline, but here he is writing convert.2 in 32 of console.readline, because by default it will take only string. Okay, but left side is string, right side is string, so there is no problem for conversion. But here whatever you are entering age is integer, but left side is integer, but actually console.readline means it is a string, and left side is integer, right side is string, left side is integer. So we have to convert to whatever the variable is there on the left side, it is integer, here it is a string. So according to the left side it is string. By default console.readline is string. String is okay, but here string and integer. So we have to convert this into integer. Then only we can store that into this age variable. Okay. So now after entering those name and age, it will be stored into the name and age variable. Then after that we are going to display the final output in the screen. Okay. So name, what are the name you got? Name plus concatenation operator. This one is joining to this one, plus is going to join this string to this name. Then age. After that age is joining, and then after that this string is joining to this age. So in double quotations you can write anything. Okay. This will be fixed. What are the variable is there, that will be passed here. Okay. So then after that it is just like getch in the C language to exit from the output this console.read off. Okay. So if you run this, so name, age is 56. So Anil is about 56 years old. Okay friends, this is a simple program how to execute a console application using small program. Then in the next classes we'll discuss more topics, other topics, and also other programs friends. Okay, thank you friends.